Hi everyone, my name is Noor Fatima and you're watching my YouTube channel I Want to Be. So today, apart from science, I'm doing something different and more interesting. The path that I have chosen today is a master chef. If you love food and have a food aesthetic sense, creating a food involves both science and art if you learn culinary and hospitality. Chef polishes their skills over culinary techniques such as food production, product creativity, menu designing, and chef also learn nutritional values of food and create personalized food like food for kids and food for diseased. You get expertise on different cuisines like Pakistani cuisine, Mediterranean, Chinese, Thai cuisines, Korean. Career paths. There are more than one path to become a chef, but every path demands dedication and hard work. If you want to be a chef, prefer to keep home economics in metric or equivalent certificate. Do intermediate with any subject preferably related to home economics or food science. At bachelor levels, you can opt food science, culinary arts, home economics, or any relevant degree. You can also do MPhil. You enter into culinary field at any age or stage, but it's better to go straight. You must have developed some professional traits like flexibility, diligence, and leadership. Scope. You can pursue your career as chef in some national or international hotel or industry. You can establish your own restaurant or a home-based service. Establishing a blog, vlog, or being instructor are good options. So that's all. I hope you like my videos. I will make more career path videos in future. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.